So we're now going to make a couple of menus, and we're also going to set a static home page. We're going to start with that first, so we can go to Appearance and then Customize. Then we click on Header, on Home Page Settings. And the default, it will say your latest post. We click a static page. We will select home page. We click on publish. And that's it for now. Then we have to go to footer. We go to footer widgets, because at this moment the setting is that there's no widgets, but we want some widgets here because we're going to place menus here. So we click on the icon on the right, and you will see footer, the footer widget areas right here already. Don't be scared of this. We are going to fill this up. This will not look the same on your website if you would publish it. So click on publish. And now it's time to create menus. So we go to Appearance and then Menus. So first off, we're going to create a main menu. Make sure primary menu is selected. Then we click on Create Menu. And we're going to select a few pages to add to this menu. Then we click on Add to Menu. And these boxes you can drag and drop them any way you would like. So like if you would like to have contact us as first and as the first link item, you can do that. Or if you would say contact us is the primary structure and you want this to be a sub item, you can do it like this. And if we would look at the website right now, you can see the menu has changed. Contact us has the sub item block, but that's obviously not what we want for the main menu. Well, at least I wouldn't like it like that. So we take the home page as the first page. Then we take our story as the second link in the menu. Blog, I want this one as the third, and contact us as the fourth. We click on Save Menu. And if I reload the website, you can see that the menu has changed the way I would like it. So we're going to create a couple more menus to fill the footer section right here. And what I like to do every time is I name the footer menu after the section, what I'm gonna call it. So more about us. I'm going to create this menu, and then I will select the pages that I want to add there, which will be contact us and our story. I add it to the menu, and I will put our story first. I click on Save Menu. Then we're going to create another menu. This will be the last one for now. And I will choose Footer Customer Service. I create the menu. And then I select the pages. For now, this is privacy policy in terms of terms and conditions. Later on we will add some more sections to this, but for now this is okay. and save menu. And now we are going to make sure those two menus will appear here at the bottom, because that's what you see in a lot of websites, and it's kind of like a basic kind of rule that you fill the footer with some useful information. You will see it on a lot of websites if you would look closely. So what we're gonna do now, we're going in the appearance menu, we will go to widgets, and widgets are these are the available widgets right here, and you can choose a lot of things. For now we are going to fill up footer widget area number 1. We will take a navigation menu widget, we will click it and we can drag it right here to the right where it says footer widget 1. Then here we can click which menu we would like to have. We can I will click more about us right here, and I type the title more about us. Then I click on save. I click done. So that widget is placed in that footer area number 1. And I'm going to show you right away what it's going to look like, because it's going to be very neat. So this is what it looks like right now. Actually, let's place this to footer widget area number 2, and you can just reload it. See, and that's better. So then we can go to footer widget number 3. We can place it right here. We can select the menu. We say customer service. Type title customer service. I click save and done. And now we have filled up two widgets right here. More about us and customer service. And I'm showing you right now what it looks like if you are not editing your website, but if you are a visitor. I'm showing it to you as a visitor perspective. And you can see the menus right here in the bottom. More about us and customer service. Actually, what we would like to do is move it up. So what I did is drag the navigation menus into 1 and 2. You can already see the results right here. If you reload the page, you can see it right here. So for footer widget area 3, you could put in some text here. Now I gave the title Join the Cuddly Bear Family and get discounts, and I will show you later what we're gonna do with this little box right here. But for now we click on save, and if you would reload the page, you will see that it becomes more cleaner and nicer, and that the navigation and the design is getting better. Here we have a menu more about us, which will have pages which will tell more about your company, and the contact form, customer service for privacy policy, terms and conditions. Later on we will add some more pages to that, so it will be links. And over here we will, that will be in a later video, but we will make a sign up form right here where people can sign up to your email list, and so you will build a list with email addresses so you can do your marketing.